President Moon's diplomacy with other leaders in Asia continues this weekend. On Saturday, he took part in the East Asia Summit and the ASEAN +3 Summit, where he and the leaders of ASEAN and China and Japan discussed ways to work together in overcoming the pandemic and bringing about an economic recovery. Hong Yu has our top story.
In their summit on Saturday, the East Asia Summit member states promised to work together to revive their economies hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic and to cooperate in overcoming the unprecedented global health crisis. To do that and to achieve peace in East Asia, President Moon Jae-in suggested multilateral cooperation in disease prevention efforts. He suggested that such close cooperation would be what enables East Asian countries to safely host the Olympic Games, which are scheduled next year in Tokyo and then again in Beijing in the winter of 2022. The participants also discussed ways to resolve other issues such as marine sustainability and safety for women. During the ASEAN +3 summit, which also took place on Saturday, the 10 member states, along with South Korea, China, and Japan, adopted a joint statement on economic and financial resilience. The joint statement calls for strengthening connectivity and resilience of their supply chains by opening up markets and strengthening cooperation to support the digitalization of small and medium-sized businesses that are vulnerable to COVID-19. The South Korean leader emphasized that free trade and multilateralism are what will lead to the recovery of trade and investment.
한 나라의 힘만으로는 해결하기 힘든 문제들입니다. 우리는 경제의 회복력을 강화하고 포용적이고 지속 가능한 성장 방안을 찾기 위해 지혜를 모으고 협력해야 합니다.
He also suggested taking health cooperation one step further by working together to develop vaccines and treatments and to ensure fair distribution. And he added that they need to establish a fast and transparent mutual assistance system to prepare for any new infectious diseases that could arise. Hong Yu, Arirang News.